AI tools that can make you $5,000 per month. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, including the way we work and earn money. In today's dynamic landscape, there are numerous AI tools available that can help individuals generate substantial income. By understanding the capabilities of these tools, leveraging automation, and exploring emerging AI-driven trends, individuals can unlock their financial potential and achieve significant monthly earnings. AI-powered trading platforms. AI-powered trading platforms offer individuals the opportunity to generate significant income through automated trading strategies. These platforms utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades on your behalf. By setting predefined rules and risk management parameters, individuals can harness the power of AI to make informed trading decisions and potentially earn substantial profits. AI-powered trading platforms often provide real-time market analysis, backtesting capabilities, and customizable trading strategies. These tools can be utilized in various financial markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex. However, it is important to note that trading carries inherent risks, and individuals should educate themselves, practice risk management, and consider consulting with financial professionals before engaging in AI-driven trading. AI-driven content creation platforms. AI-driven content creation platforms have transformed the way individuals produce written content, helping them generate income through various channels. These platforms leverage natural language processing algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging written content automatically. By using these AI tools, individuals can save time and effort while producing blog posts, articles, or social media content. Content created by AI can be monetized through various means, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertising revenue. Entrepreneurs can create content-rich websites or blogs, attracting traffic and generating income through partnerships, collaborations, and online advertising. By leveraging AI to streamline content creation processes, individuals can focus on growing their online presence and maximizing their earning potential. AI-enhanced e-commerce platforms. E-commerce has witnessed tremendous growth, and AI-powered tools can help individuals generate substantial income in this industry. AI algorithms can analyze customer data, preferences, and behavior, enabling personalized product recommendations and enhancing the overall shopping experience. By utilizing AI-enhanced e-commerce platforms, individuals can create online stores that attract customers, increase sales, and generate significant revenue. Additionally, AI tools can automate inventory management, optimize pricing strategies, and provide data-driven insights for effective decision-making. Entrepreneurs can leverage AI-powered platforms to streamline their e-commerce operations, reduce costs, and maximize profitability. By capitalizing on emerging trends and leveraging AI-driven marketing techniques, individuals can create successful e-commerce ventures that generate consistent income. AI-driven investment and financial planning tools. AI-driven investment and financial planning tools have transformed the way individuals manage their finances and make investment decisions. These tools utilize AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify trends, and provide personalized investment recommendations. By leveraging AI-driven tools, individuals can make informed investment decisions, potentially yielding substantial returns. These platforms offer features such as portfolio analysis, risk assessment, and goal-based financial planning. By using AI-powered investment platforms, individuals can automate their investment strategies, optimize asset allocation, and diversify their portfolios. It is important to note that investment carries risks, and individuals should conduct thorough research, seek professional advice, and exercise caution when using AI-driven investment tools. AI-powered freelancing platforms. The gig economy has witnessed significant growth, and AI-powered freelancing platforms provide opportunities to earn substantial income. These platforms utilize AI algorithms to match freelancers with relevant projects, automate administrative tasks, and streamline the freelance workflow. By leveraging AI-powered platforms, individuals can access a wide range of freelance opportunities and generate significant monthly earnings. AI-driven platforms offer features such as project recommendations, automated proposal generation, and integrated payment systems. Freelancers can utilize these tools to enhance their productivity, expand their client base, and maximize their earning potential. By delivering high-quality work, building a strong reputation, and continuously improving their skills, individuals can attract high-paying clients and achieve their $5,000 per month income goal. AI-powered online advertising platforms. Online advertising has become increasingly competitive, and AI-powered advertising platforms can help individuals generate substantial income through advertising revenue. These platforms leverage AI algorithms to analyze consumer data, optimize ad targeting, and maximize ad performance. By utilizing AI-driven advertising platforms, individuals can create highly targeted ad campaigns that generate significant revenue. Entrepreneurs can create websites or online platforms that attract a large audience and monetize their traffic through display ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. By leveraging AI-powered advertising platforms, individuals can optimize ad placements, improve click-through rates, and increase conversions. AI-driven rental and accommodation platforms. The sharing economy has opened doors for individuals to generate significant income through AI-driven rental and accommodation platforms. These platforms leverage AI algorithms to match property owners with potential renters, automate booking processes, and optimize pricing strategies. By utilizing AI-powered rental platforms, individuals can generate substantial monthly earnings through rental income. Individuals can list their properties or spare rooms on AI-driven rental platforms, attracting a steady stream of renters and maximizing occupancy rates. AI tools can assist in determining optimal rental prices, managing availability calendars, and providing personalized recommendations to potential renters. AI-powered customer service and support. AI-driven customer service and support tools can help individuals generate substantial income by providing automated assistance and improving customer satisfaction. These tools utilize natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand customer inquiries and provide relevant solutions. Entrepreneurs can leverage AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, or customer support systems to automate routine customer interactions, handle inquiries, and provide personalized recommendations. By implementing these tools, individuals can save time and resources while delivering efficient and effective customer service. This can result in increased customer retention, positive word of mouth, and ultimately, a higher income through repeat business and customer loyalty. In 2023, AI tools offer individuals numerous opportunities to generate substantial income and achieve their financial goals. By leveraging AI-powered trading platforms, content creation tools, e-commerce platforms, investment tools, freelancing platforms, online advertising platforms, and rental platforms, individuals can unlock the potential of AI and work towards earning $5,000 per month or more. Success in utilizing these AI tools requires a deep understanding of their capabilities, continuous learning, strategic planning, and adapting to emerging trends. It is important to conduct thorough research, practice risk management, and seek professional advice when necessary. By harnessing the power of AI, individuals can unlock their financial potential and embark on a rewarding journey towards substantial monthly earnings in the dynamic landscape of 2023 and beyond. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.